at this, guys. Parker, can you help me? Ready? Take a look at this. This is the Faraday Future 01, you guys. Look at what this helmet does. This is for oxygen and water. Here it connects in the back of the headrest. This is the water tank here, and the oxygen is fed up through here. This connects to the headrest. In order to get water through the helmet, you just press this little button here. This is the start button to the car. Here on the wheel, you've got a phone that sits in the center so that you can actually control the car from the phone. This is a single-seater race car of the future. Take a look at the pedals here. You've got this separator here in between the accelerator and brake so that when you're driving around fast, you don't slip accidentally on one or the other. This massive tail fin here is actually a display as well. It will light up your name or the fastest track time. Then the back here, look at this massive rear diffuser. A racing suspension. And the batteries are just all here along the floor of the car in the center. So this has over 1,000 horsepower, 0 to 100 in less than 2 seconds. Wow. It's like you're lying flat in this car. Okay. Alright, so I'm going to put the helmet on. Ready? That was cool. It's like a massive sunroof. All right, let's see how long it takes me to get out of the car.
All right, stop watching.
Now what I'm going to show you is their actual production car coming out next year and how fast that goes. Same technology as this one. Next. Here it comes.